My dear student, today I am going to describe next topic, growth model of the population in the topic chapter ecology. Ecology में कैसे growth model बना है? Two types of growth model. First one is the exponential and second one is the logistic. Logistic then exponential. What is exponential? When resources are unlimited, point be noted, when resources are unlimited, each species realize its innate potential to grow in a number of population exponentially. When resources are unlimited, then each species realize its innate population to grow in number of population exponentially. एक्सपोनेंशियल साधारण रूप से जब रिसोर्स क्या होता है, नेचुरल रिसोर्स या उनका कोई जो नेसेसरी आइटम्स हैं वो अनलिमिटेड होते हैं, तो जितने स्पीसीज होते हैं सब रियलाइज हो जाते हैं, एकदम मौज से रहेंगे और उनका पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ कैसा होगा, इनेट होगा, फास्ट पोटेंशियल तेजी के साथ बढ़ता रहेगा. सो वी कैन से हियर कैपिटल N इक्वल टू पॉपुलेशन साइज, capital N is equal to population size, D for birth rate, D for death rate, and here dn upon dt is equal to increase or decrease in number in n number during time. Once again, exponential growth when the resources are unlimited, each species realize its innate potential to grow in a number of population exponentially. जब कोई खाने की सामान बहुत ज्यादा हो तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, अरे धूम से खाओ कोई टेंशन नहीं. तो उसमें क्या हुआ, वहां पर किसी भी आइटम्स की कोई बचा के नहीं रखता है, चाहे जैसे मन करता है वैसे खाते रहते हैं. तो इसी तरह एक्सपोनेंशियल होता है, जब नेचुरल या कोई रिसोर्स अनलिमिटेड होता है तो उसका कोई ध्यान नहीं देता, अपने मन से ग्रोथ करते रहते हैं. तो here capital N is equal to population size, D for birth rate, D for death rate. So yesterday I told about d and dt is the increase or decrease in number during time t time, during time t. So then dn and dt is equal to b minus d into n. Mean this is the increase or decrease number in the time, birth rate minus death rate into total population size. So let b minus d is equal to r. जब यहाँ पे b minus d का हम मान r रख देते हैं, then what happened, d and dt is equal to r into n. So very simply, where r is intrinsic rate of natural increase, where r is the intrinsic rate of the natural increase. For example, human population in 1981, this intrinsic rate small r is equal to 0.0205. So this is all about exponential growth. Exponential growth when resources are unlimited, each species realizes its innate potential to grow in number of population exponentially. N for population size, D for birth rate, D for death rate, d and dt upon is equal to increase or decrease in n number during t time. So then d and dt is equal to b minus d into n. Let b minus d, this value is equal to r, then d and dt is equal to r into n, where r is intrinsic rate of natural increase. For human in 1981, this intrinsic rate 0.0205. So this is all about exponential growth of the population. After that, here integral form of exponential growth. For example, equation nt is equal to n naught ert. Nt is equal to n naught ert. Here n, you know, population size, t time. Nt is equal to population density after t. Then n naught is equal to initial population density, r is equal to intrinsic rate of natural increase E is equal to base of natural logarithm. Here you see population growth and population density is represented by two. One is J shape and second one is the S shape. J and S shape is famous for the representing of the graphical representation of this exponential growth. You can see population growth and population density, population growth. जब कोई रिसोर्स अनलिमिटेड हुआ तो क्या हुआ, वहां पे ग्रोथ रेट तेजी के साथ होने लगा, इननेट बहुत ही फास्ट. सो dndt upon rn. This is all about growth model. First, exponential growth in the population.